Hello friends, my name is Joanie Calem and it is the 28th of the month, so it is my turn to share something on the Lullaby Bounces and Finger Play Facebook page. I realized that I have shared a lot of finger plays and I have shared a number of bounces and I haven't shared any lullabies yet. So I went on a trip down memory lane and went looking for the lullabies that I wrote for my children when they were little and found wonderful gems that I had forgotten all about. They are now 28 and 26, so it has been a long time since I sang these songs. And the one that I chose to sing to you is a song that I wrote for my son. Now, it requires a little bit of explanation. It's called First Rain. And he was born on April 27th, and we lived at the time in Israel. So that is the hot season, the no rain season. It generally does not rain from about the beginning of March until the beginning of October, although that's changed a little bit with climate change. But still, there is a dry, hot summer season when there's no rain. So when the first rain comes in the fall, it's a big deal. It's a really big deal, and everybody runs outside and stops whatever they're doing. Even the big professionals in the big fancy buildings run outside and stop what they're doing and just kind of glory in this return of the water and the return of the rain. So this lullaby that I wrote for him was First Rain, because he was just so delighted and intrigued by this thing that was happening that he hadn't seen. By the time it rained, he was almost 5 months old. And so he was just like, ah, this is so cool. So that became his lullaby. So, First Rain. First rain for my little son. Eyes of wonder watch the clouds, laughing right out loud. First fall as the days grow cold, branches rustling on the trees, singing to you and me. All these first times in your new life, all these things to learn. I hold you tight as you discover the lessons of this earth. First light as the day begins, black gray blending purple hues, early morning blues. First clouds in the autumn sky, lazy gray ones floating free over you and me. All these first times in your new life, all these things to learn. I hold you tight as you discover the lessons of this earth. First rain for my little son. Eyes of wonder watch the clouds, laughing right out loud. First fall as the days grow cold, branches rustling on the trees, singing to you and me. All these first times in your new life, all these things to learn. I hold you tight as you discover the lessons of this earth. First Rain, written in October of 1995, a very long time ago. Good night, everyone.